I just learned about a new AI generator that is as good as Suno and Udio, and I can't believe this website is completely free to use, because all of the features that Suno and Udio offer, such as uploading your own audio, creating cover songs, downloading song stems, can only be done with a paid subscription. But this website allows you to do it completely for free. I'm going to share what this AI music generator is in a moment and show you how to use it, along with creating songs to test out its quality. It's called Refusion, and it's currently in an open beta. It all starts with just creating a single prompt, and if you're not sure what to write, clicking on the dice icon can give you some ready-made prompts to use. And if you wanted to just make it an instrumental only, just turn on and off the toggle. Clicking the Compose button provides you with more customization options. Here you can add your own lyrics, and Refusion recommends structuring your lyrics using meta tags. Or you can just simply have it write lyrics for you using its ghostwriter feature. But you still have to give it a general idea of what you want in order for it to generate the lyrics. Sound provides direction on what you want the vibe of the song to be using predefined options, or you can write in your own and Refusion will try to match it accordingly. Turning on the advanced toggle, you can add up to 3 different sound prompts. So let's say, for example, you wanted to create a song with specifically having a bass, a trumpet, and a piano. You can start by writing it in, adding the second sound. Right now, you're only allowed to do a maximum of 3. Changing the strength slider changes how much the song adheres to the sound prompts. And in addition to that, you can type in where you want the start and the end time to be for these sounds to be in the song. If you want to change the song model, you have to click out onto your username in the bottom left. Then you'll be provided with the option to switch between different models. Increasing the lyrics slider will ensure your song adheres closer to the lyrics that you defined. The weirdness slider is a form of experimenting if you want Refusion to turn your song into something more chaotic. There's an upload button at the bottom, so you can upload your own voice or an instrumental to customize further. I'm going to show you how to do that later in the video. After creating your song, much like Suno and Udio, Refusion will create 2 different versions. The great part is, even with the service being free, you still get to generate full songs, which are roughly anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes in length. This one is a rock song.
In the depths below, something stirs and grows, clawing at my mind, left me paralyzed. Watch them fade away, finding strength today. Walls are closing in, breath beneath my skin, breaking through the haze, learning better ways. Watch them fade away, finding strength today.
This one is a blues song.
Coffee's getting cold. Coffee's getting cold. Lost track of time. My coffee's getting cold. Papers on my desk. Papers on my desk. Your service is no longer needed. What a mess.
This one is an EDM song.
In my bones, standing here I'm not alone. Mountains rise up all around as we move to this sound. Higher and higher we climb, every beat in perfect time. I lift my hands up to the stars, feel the music in my heart. 10,000 hearts beat as one. We're all here, we've just begun. 10,000 hearts beat as one. Under mountains, under sun, beat as one. Shake the ground.
This one is a hip-hop song.
Slow you out there last night, kid. Moving kinda reckless. Young blood running wild, I think about the message. Yeah, I used to be the same way back when I was green. But sit down for a minute, let me tell you what I mean. Raw talent ain't enough when you're playing in the streets. Gotta learn to code before you claim your own receipts. Every ball got history, every block got rules. Time in school, you probably separate kings from fools. First rule of the streets, earn your space. Can't take what ain't yours in the first place. Wouldn't work, stay humble, wash your face. First rule of the streets, earn your space. Listen close now, youngster, this ain't child's play. Each line you put up represents what you got to say. Clean caps, sharp labels, that's your signature style.
To my ears, the sound quality of all of these songs sounds better than what Suno and Udio can put out. If you disagree, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. To create a cover of a song, all you have to do is navigate to the three dots on the right, hover over the remix button, and this is where you'll find a number of options that we're going to go through. Click on Cover. You'll be taken back to the Compose tab. Clicking this settings button, you're provided with a slider that gives you the ability to increase or decrease how much Refusion either deviates or adheres to the cover song that you want to create. The lyrics can be edited or they can be deleted entirely if you wanted to switch it up. You can add or remove items from the sound bar. And of course, you have the same advanced options if you want to tweak the cover even further. Extending a song works the same way. The only difference, there's a bar that you can drag where you can dictate to Refusion where you want the extended part of the song to start from. The only quirk when doing an extension of a song or a cover of a song is Refusion actually completely renames it, and you're only going to tell the difference if you click on the latest song created, and on the right hand side you can see this identifier here that it's been extended. So that's just something to keep in mind as you're creating. To replace part of a song, it's as simple as taking this area and either increasing or decreasing or moving around the sliders to the specific time that you want to adjust. And you can also click on the settings button and this will change to give you timestamps if you really want to fine tune it and enter in specific times on where you want this part to change. The one thing I've noticed is if you're trying to replace a part in a song, it doesn't necessarily highlight the lyrics, so you're not sure where you're changing it according to where the timing is. There's a bit of a guessing game in the editing, and I'm hoping this is something that Refusion improves in the future. To upload your audio clip, you want to be in the Compose tab, click the Upload button. Refusion automatically starts transcribing your lyrics based on the clip that you've uploaded. And under the Transform area, You can switch between cover, extend, and replace, so you have full customization to completely edit your uploaded audio. And you have all of the same options as you had with the other song creation tools in order to fully customize your song and just go ahead and generate the new version. What sets Refusion apart from Suno and Udio is the more that you use it, the more personalized the music algorithm gets and is tailored to your tastes. And the more songs that you create, the more features you unlock to take your song creation to the next level. I love that Refusion is on the scene, bringing competition to Suno and Udio, and I can't wait to see how those two services respond. And if you're looking to improve your ability to create AI songs, I've pasted a link to a comprehensive guide. Check out the link in the video description.